Congratulations to the graduating class of Scripps Institution of Oceanography. Your time at Scripps has been filled with discovery, challenge, success, and failure, all while learning on one of the most beautiful campuses in the world. Celebrate the accomplishments, learn from the setbacks, and take pride in the hard work and perseverance that brought you to this moment. I'm sure that, like I did, many of you are leaving Scripps with lifelong friendships and lasting connections, inspired and motivated by being surrounded by people who share the same passion, ambition, and drive to make a difference. As you move into this next chapter, remember that the world needs forward-thinking scientists willing to challenge convention and create meaningful environmental change. Stay open to new opportunities, and don't be afraid to pursue the unknown. Take chances and embrace change. Your curiosity and determination have the power to shape a better future. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Congratulations, you did it. I'm so proud of you. The fact that you're here today and you chose this work, this research, tells me at least two things about you. One, you care deeply. You care about all creatures big and small, others around you, the natural world. Carry that with you. You'll need that as you go through life. Two, you're going to make a positive impact, and I don't say that lightly. You've already inspired me to continue my work in building decarbonization. Keep going and enjoy today. You deserve it.
Woohoo! You did it! Awesome job, graduates. It's such an honor for me to be with you. My name is Tali Vardi. I'm the Executive Director of the Coral Restoration Consortium. I'll just impart to you some wisdom that Peter Franks imparted to me and my classmates in biological oceanography in that very first year. He said, just take a minute and look around this classroom and realize that these are the colleagues for the rest of your life. These are people that you can call on the phone and say, hey, we went through it together. I know that you went through this rigorous program and I have a question about X, fill in the blank. I just wish you all the best and know that you have a long lifetime of collaborations that will come up from the people sitting around you that is so rich and that you'll treasure in the years ahead, even if you don't realize it now. So awesome job and enjoy this day.
To the Scripps Institution of Oceanography class of 2026, I'd like to send you a massive congratulations. Firstly, please take the time to appreciate this moment and the people that you get to share it with. I challenge you over the coming months and days to think deeply about how your talents, experiences, and passion make you uniquely positioned to make an impact on whatever it is you choose to do. Lastly, I encourage you to take the information, inspiration, and networks that you built here at Scripps to do important work. But don't forget to have some fun along the way. All the best.
Hi everyone, and congratulations on the incredible accomplishment of graduating from one of the top institutes of marine science in the world. Your contributions to the climate and socio-ecological issues that we're facing today is more important than ever. As someone that works in science communications, I hope that your research and future work go far beyond a peer-reviewed publication. Write that blog, post it on social media, give that public talk, pitch it to a local news station, and record that cringy video. The value of your work truly begins at public access and understanding. I hope that you're able to celebrate today and bask in this moment even for just a little bit. And a special shout out to all of the queer folks and the people of color that made it here today.
Congratulations, Scripps graduates. With your new degree, there's an ocean of opportunity out there for you. You could stay in academia, you could work for a conservation nonprofit, maybe start your own, become a natural resource manager, or even explore the private sector. In my short career so far, I've tried all of these things, and each gave me a different perspective on the many ways that we can care for the ocean. So don't be afraid to dip your toes and try a bunch of them out. You may be surprised on where the current takes you. Wherever it goes, I'm sure you'll make the ocean proud. Aloha.